Assalamu alaikum matarango. I know Yacouba Himadou come from Niger Kwara kanka end safarai. Yoro kanka ndaimu
Yacouba, a young male from Niger State, who presented to my OPD with complaints of hearing loss, in fact progressive hearing loss for the last so many years, that he was completely on lip reading. After investigating with the CT scan and MRI, we decided to plan him for a right ear cochlear implant surgery.
Yoro kanka ndaimu end malazitu dorno kanka ndai. I hangai chimrano kake hangai sama kuburi.
The surgery happened at Max Super Speciality Hospital, Dwarka. It lasted for about 1.5 hours and the patient was discharged the next day. After about a week, we put on the processor on his right ear and similarly, we put on a hearing aid which syncs with the processor on the right side, and the patient with 1 week of AVT therapy started hearing everything.
Operation écouteur no une opération qui était une bonne écouteur. Écouteur mo moso akad borma yon ngono ay do boyda.
Now Mr. Yacouba can hear, listen everything from a distance. He can communicate to you without using lip reading. Although he will take few weeks and months to become absolutely normal like you and me are.